Alright guys, today we're showing you this bubble machine. You get some decals. Look at all of the bubble solution you get. Like, it's incredible. Plus you get 4 containers of bubble solution already to go. So yeah, there's tons of different accessories and things you can add on. You have your charging cable, you got screwdrivers, little manual. So yeah, there's tons and tons of things here. We're gonna go ahead and add on these wings. So these should just snap in place. Just like that. Do the same for the other side. This tray is used for when you are done using it, or when you want to set it down, you just set it down in the tray. That just keeps it from getting dirty on the nozzle ends. Your battery is going to be inside here, so you just connect it to the port. It is a USB battery charger. Once your battery is on, let's go ahead and show you guys how you put the solution in here. So for this one, you just put the solution in here, you dip it down, and then you're good to go.